Welcome to another episode of House of Contractors. Today we're going to be doing a product video of the HZR70, the first unit in the Pro Vibratory plate series. Models within the Pro Vibratory plate series share a strong likeness to Wacker Neuson in terms of functional design, cosmetic appearance, and most importantly, performance. Just to talk about this machine a little bit, over here you have a 7.6 liter water tank, which can add up to about 15 pounds when you add water to it and you close the valve. It disperses when you're compacting on top of asphalt, and it works really well. The self-cleaning base plate, when you're compacting gravel or mixed light soils, it vibrates into the plate and then vibrates right out through these indentations, cleaning itself as you're using the machine, which is a great feature. It has a lifting hook over here. It's powered by a 5.5 horsepower Honda engine. This is your throttle cable to send power to the exciter to increase your compaction force. This machine has a 3,147 pounds of force that it emits into the floor as a compaction force. Also over here, you have your integrated wheel kit, which slides in and out whenever you need to use it. And the best feature about this product would be the patented access to the exciter. Through one bolt, you'll be able to access the oil inside the exciter, which makes it really easy to service. Now we'll do a small demonstration video just demonstrating how easy it is to take out the wheel kit and how fast and how well it vibrates. So you can see here, it's easily maneuverable, almost effortless. Now we'll take it out. Simple enough. Just put this on the side here. And now we'll start the machine. So choke off, gas to the right, engine's on. Starting right away, what you would expect from a Honda engine. The machine vibrates with a lot of force, and it's pretty fast. Alright, thank you for watching.